Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're going to be looking at the 7-3-6 progression. Now, some of you know the 7-3-6 on the key of F sharp now. You know this normal 7-3-6 as sorry. You know the normal 7-3-6 as this, or right? Now we're going to be looking at different ways you can turn this over, and I need you to pay good attention because it's going to be calculation. All right. Now, real quick, before we start this lesson, you can see that the display I'm using for my MIDI is a new display. Now, this is ODX MIDI display. Trust me, you can see how beautiful the interface looks. Let me play and you see that. Now you see that I don't even need data to run this. All I just need is to download the file, install. The sweet thing is it can run as a standalone, and it can also run in your DAW all at the same time. It is very, very, very cheap. Trust me, it is cheaper than any other MIDI display app and software I have seen. I'm going to advise you guys, if you know that you are, maybe you run lessons, or even if you don't run lessons, you do piano stuff, I advise that you get this. Get it now before it increases price. This is like one of the beautiful MIDI displays I've used, and I'm recommending this for everyone. I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can cop this for yourself. So on the key of F sharp, real quick. Now, you know your normal 3-6 as. You can see first chord, right? Second chord, like this. You can still play it like this, right? Last chord 6. So 7, so 3, 7, 3, 6, right? You can stack it with your 6. Yeah. So now we are going to make it longer and add, and if you are making it longer now, let's come to the key of C sharp. So now let's try 7-3-6 on the key of C sharp. Now this is what 7-3-6 on the key of C sharp will look like. Right? Or all these are 7-3-6. Good. Seven, 3, 6. Oh. Seven, 3, 6, 2. Now, let's do a 7-3-6-2 on the key of C sharp. Now, this is what a 7-3-6-2 will look like. Now, this is a 2, right? Now, let's think. Do you know that this is a flat 5-7-3-6 on the key of F sharp? Why? Because this is flat 5-7-3-6. Now on the key of F sharp, now play this thing you played as. Now what I played, let me break down what I played actually. So I did. Again, first chord, second chord, third chord. So I did this low. You can see the voicing. Rootless. So then I did. So now let's bring it down to C sharp, or to F sharp rather. Now let's try. So on the key of right. So you are great. You do miracles. Sorry. You are great. You do miracles. So you instead of doing, let's do. So you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one. Just did some tritone substitution right there. Now you've gotten the idea of the flat 5-7-3 on flat 5-7-3-6, which is a 7-3-6-2 on the key of C sharp. See how they can relate. Now let's change the voicing. You are great. You're the miracle so great. You get? So I'll break that down. You are great. Left hand nuances on quarter chord. If you want to understand this, go to my course. Then you have 7, right? Then 3, then 6. Then you can do a chromatic movement. You can see how that works. Now, I'm going to use this song as a case study. Steph Ade posted it, I think. I can't remember when exactly, but that's his last post. And it was we give you all glory, honor, and praise. Now, he was calling one tone over where he was saying Fiti Mila. That is flat 5-7-3-6. Now there's where he said Fiti Mifa. I'm going to do all that breakdown. So now let's try that. We give you all glory, honor, and praise. Now Now, I'm going to break this down. Then I'm going to do the next one indeed. So now let's try that. First thing, this is the first chord. Now, if you want to be dramatic, you can want to move it a semitone. If you follow my course, you understand the rule: semitone forward and semitone backward. Yeah. So these are the notes for Fi. T. Sometimes I play like this. Rather, yeah. Or maybe take out this, or still want to play like this, or still do this, or still want to do it right on. Yes. Why did I add this note? Yeah. So you can still want to do. But still, let's play with the roots, which is 7, right? Then 3. Then 6. So we get that. So So now let's do the next turnover now. So you did 4. So I'll teach you these movements. Same chord as you know. Then this F dominant 7 over your E flat major. So then you slow down to then so when you're slowing down to you're going to your 4 straight. So we give you all glory, honor, and praise. You get then to 6. You can go to your 6 like this. Then you get. So these are simple movements you can apply to your worship song. Let's look for another song again and put this. Which song has that fit similar? We've done You Are Great, right? So right? Cannot give you praise. 4. So you can add it now. Or you can, I'm just, this is me going to 4 now because I want to open up. But still you can just do okay, sir. Down to your 6, you guys. So that's everything for this lesson. As you know, intermediate course, the link is in my product store. Check that out. I have different loop packs up for sale. I also have beginner's course. Still, if you know that there are so many things that you cannot skip, so you have to go back to your beginner's course and learn them. That's 1. 2. Okay, I think I talked about it and I'll still talk about it again. Make sure you get this what they call it, this piano display. Trust me, it's going to it's in fact, like I said, it's the most beautiful display I have seen. And knowing that the person that did this thing is a Nigerian and he's my friend, it's something to be proud of. I mean, so please, you guys should support ODX and make sure you get this. Make sure forget the fact that he's ODX. I mean, trust me, this is good. Trust me. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. God bless you guys.